Have you ever started something feeling excited, only to lose all motivation a few days later? I used to be just like you. I'd start going to the gym, but after 4 or 5 days without seeing instant results, I'd lose interest. I tried learning a new language, but the next day, when I couldn't remember half the words, I'd lose interest. I started my own business, dreaming of being my own boss. But when I didn't see big sales or profits right away, I convinced myself that I was on the wrong path. Maybe this isn't for me. Maybe I should try something else. I used to think I just wasn't meant for success. Every time I started something new, I quit. Until one day, I figured out the secret that changed everything. And once I understood it, I never lost motivation again. I started looking for new goals, new ideas, new sources of inspiration. But the truth is, I wasn't searching for motivation. I was chasing dopamine, that quick hit of satisfaction, that instant success. Because deep down, we all want to feel the happiness that comes from achieving something. But how does it actually work? Have you ever told yourself, tomorrow, I'll definitely start? And the next day, maybe Monday would be a better day to begin? That's why I kept quitting, whether it was the gym, learning English, or launching a business. I was waiting for motivation to always be there, but it wasn't, not every day. So, what's the solution? How I discovered the secret to unstoppable motivation. I realized one thing that changed everything. Motivation comes when you see results, but results don't appear instantly. So what should you do? You build a system that makes results inevitable. They say it takes 10,000 hours of practice to become an expert at something. But there's something even more important. You need a clear, inspiring goal. If you don't have a goal, you'll get lost. If your goal excites you, even small wins will give you energy. I stopped thinking, I don't see progress. I started thinking, I'm in the process, and my results are coming. And that changed everything. Track your progress. It's more powerful than you think. What's the difference between people who succeed and those who give up? Successful people track their progress, even the smallest victories. I started writing down everything, no matter how small. First workout, logged it, learned 5 new words, wrote them down, made my first $10 in business, marked it. It might seem trivial, but imagine opening your notebook a month from now and seeing pages full of progress. You stop thinking nothing's changing. You can see how much you've already accomplished. You realize that quitting now would be ridiculous. Try it. Write down even the tiniest step forward. You'll be amazed at how much it changes you. How to never lose motivation again. Step number 1. Find a goal that excites you, not just, I want to lose weight or I want to start a business. But why? What part of it inspires you? Step number 2. Take small, consistent steps. You don't have to learn a language in a month. You don't have to make $1 million in a year. But small, daily steps will take you there. Guaranteed. Step number 3. Track every achievement. Write it in a notebook, journal, or even a note on your phone. Your brain needs to see that you're already making progress. Step number 4. Visualize the end result. Every time you feel lazy, picture yourself in great shape, speaking a new language fluently, running a successful business, making money on your own terms. When you have a goal, start seeing results and feel that excitement. Now, motivation floods you like a wave. You won't be able to stop. Final thoughts. The power of consistency. Now think about this. How many times have you given up just because you didn't see results right away? But what if you had just kept going, no matter what? Where would you be today? We all look at successful people and wish we could be like them. But you know what sets them apart? They just kept going while everyone else quit. So choose one goal and start tracking your progress. Your motivation will no longer depend on your mood. You'll start seeing real progress. You'll actually enjoy the process. Share in the comments. What challenges do you face? What usually stops you from following through? And remember, at first you work for your goal, then your goal starts working for you.